Hi, it's Mike.
On screen I've got some shortcuts displayed which are useful when editing documents or just using Windows in general. So the first one is Ctrl and X. So if you hold Ctrl and then press the X key, this cuts the text from the boxes that it's in, and you can paste that, which is Ctrl and V, elsewhere, and you'll see it's cut them out and put them here. Next one is Ctrl and C, which is just copy, and then Ctrl and V, which is paste. To highlight all, it's Ctrl and A, and you can test that by pressing Ctrl and C to copy and Ctrl and V to paste again. To undo this paste, it's just Ctrl and Z, and you can go back right the way to the beginning with that, so that will undo all the way back, and then Ctrl Y if you want to redo. And then we have Alt and Tab. So if you hold the Alt key and press the Tab key, it will switch between the application you're using and the last one that you're using. You can also select whichever application you want to use. The print screen key will take a screenshot of everything that's on the screen, and you can test that by pasting it into a document or into Paint or somewhere. And then the Windows key and the print screen will take a screenshot and store it in your screenshots folder.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.